Hey Bronx, welcome to the fourth newscast of the spring semester. I'm your host, Jeanette Torres. Lola Reina starts us off with our state, local, and national news.
We begin with local news where Dr. Francisco Hernandez, the founding dean for the New School of Medicine at UTRGV, visited the area this week. He stopped by the Regional Academic Health Center in Harlingen, as well as the University of Texas Pan American and the University of Texas at Brownsville, to meet with the faculty and students. The medical school is expected to enroll its first class in 2016. UTRGV is the merge of the Regional Academic Service Center, UTB, and UTPA. Moving on to state news. Houston police say that they found the mother of a newborn child that was found inside of a trash can by a maintenance worker on Tuesday morning. The mother was a 16-year-old girl that has not been yet identified and has no charges filed against her yet. The baby was found inside a trash bag, yet he was still breathing. Police say he still had part of his umbilical cord attached. Moving on to international news. This past Saturday, Mexican drug lord Joaquin El Chapo Guzman was captured in Mazatlan, Sinaloa. Guzman was captured with other members and his wife Emma Coronel. A total of 97 long guns, 37 handguns, 49 cars, which 19 were bulletproof, 16 houses, and 4 ranches were confiscated. El Chapo had been on the run since his escape from a Mexican prison in 2001. A reward of $5 million was offered by the American authorities and $2.5 million by the Mexican government. He was placed in a high-security jail known as Altiplano. United States authorities want to extradite him to the United States in order to prevent El Chapo from escaping again. For Bronx News, I am Lola Reina.
Myra Gomez went on the streets to find out what your plans are for spring break.
What are your plans for spring break?
I'm going to Houston.
Go to the beach.
Go to the island.
And is it more of a time to relax or to have fun?
Relaxing.
Relax and have fun.
To relax.
Relax.
To have fun.
Relax and have fun.
Do you prefer spending spring break with family or friends?
My friends.
Family vacations and with friends.
Friends
I would say both.
with family.
One new thing you want to try this spring break that you've never tried before?
Skydive. Have a spring break.
Read more.
The Valley would be more fun during spring break if
It wasn't so boring.
They had like more artists.
If they felt like an amusement park.
Would you invite others to spend their spring break in the Valley?
I would not recommend that because there's nothing to do here. Not really.
Yeah.
Oh, no, I wouldn't.
If you were given the opportunity to spend your spring break anywhere in the world, where would it be?
Miami.
England.
Dubai.
I've always wanted to go to Europe and explore.
Madrid. New York.
For Bronx Radio, I am Myra Gomez.
It's that time of year again, Bronx. Don't let those financial barriers hinder your education. UTPA's priority deadline for FAFSA is March 15th. Need help filling out your FAFSA? Stop by the Express Lab, conveniently located at the Student Services Building, room 1.192. Prioritize your education. Visit FAFSA.gov to fill out your free application for federal student aid today.
JP Hernandez brings us our entertainment scoop of the week.
After being mostly shrouded in secrecy, we have our first casting news regarding Star Wars Episode 7. According to Variety, actor Adam Driver, mostly known for his role in the hit HBO series Girls, is in talks to portray the villain for the J.J. Abrams film. The character is said to be in the vein of Darth Vader. Rumored actors said to be up for the role included Michael Fassbender, Hugo Weaving, and Joe Kinnaman. Driver is currently filming Jeff Nichols' Midnight Special and is also attached to star in Martin Scorsese's Silence alongside Andrew Garfield and Liam Neeson. Expect additional casting announcements in the following weeks, as the film is set to start shooting at London's Pinewood Studios in April. Star Wars Episode 7 opens in theaters on December 18, 2015. Award season draws to a close this Sunday with the Oscars. 9 films have been nominated for Best Picture this year. Leading the pack are Gravity and American Hustle with 10 nominations each, followed by 12 Years a Slave with 9. Also nominated for Best Picture are Captain Phillips, Dallas Buyers Club, Her, Nebraska, Philomena, and The Wolf of Wall Street. The Best Picture race is a close one this year, with Gravity and 12 Years a Slave split in most of the precursor awards leading up to the Oscars. Favorites to take home the Oscar in the leading acting categories are Matthew McConaughey and Cate Blanchett. Jared Leto and Jennifer Lawrence are the frontrunners in the supporting acting categories. You can catch this and more awards being handed out at the 86th Annual Academy Awards, hosted